Hello and welcome to November. Did you forget how to read a calendar? It's not November anymore. True, it's not. Fortune Cookie Soap hit that small business snag. They are regrouping. They are making good on their boxes. This was supposed to have come in November of 2024. It's now arrived. It came to me with 2 other boxes that I purchased, so I'm reviewing them and putting them up as they can fit into my schedule. Fortune Cookie Soap, I'd have a link for them in my description box. Like I said, they are regrouping. Their store is open. You can buy from them. They're just a little slow in getting things out. They are doing their darndest. They have a great Facebook presence if you want to check in with them over there. Anyway, enough yappity yap. Let's see what the November box had in it. The theme for this was Return to Forks. Yeah, I think Forks has something to do with a TV show or maybe a movie. I'm not sure. We have a 1 ounce deluxe sample size of their Lie Better Body Frosting. And according to what I could get, they send a QR code now instead of a plastic card, or plastic coated card, I guess I should say. But to save on expenses, I think that's a good idea. A lot of boxes are going to QR codes. Anyway, Lie Better Body Frosting. And it has notes of warm vanilla and amber, ripe apples, brown sugar, cedarwood. So you have these woodsy notes flowing through you. Amber is not my favorite, although I admit I took a little sniff. It smells nice, so we are going to give this one a try. Oh, goody. This is the Vampire Coven Rejuvenating Face Oil. And that's what it looks like. And this is 1/2 ounce. I will say that I am currently enjoying their face oil formula from a prior box, so I do like the formula. Let's see what it said is in this one, and I put a check mark next to it, so I think it sounds intriguing, or at least it smelled nice. Coconut water, cactus flower, agave, jasmine, vanilla musk, rich leather, and patchouli. Again, not my favorite choice, but that's okay. The reason we get subscription boxes is to get to try things out beforehand. So we will put this in to the lineup, and when it's her turn, she'll get a chance. I do like the formula of a different face oil, so I'm anticipating this to be a pretty good one. This is a dual phase perfume. I will say the bottle is certainly intriguing. As we turn it around, I'm liking the color aspect to it. And I'm hoping you can see it and not just get blinded by that light. And what does it have to say? Wild plum, cinnamon, patchouli, vanilla, cashmere wood. I took a little sniff and I wasn't that wild. So I have a feeling this is either going to get passed along or it might wind up back there on the display rack just because I like the bottle. This is an argon detangler, and it's one of those ones where it separates on purpose So you have to give it a good shake to mix it up before you use it. It was a little heavy in the scent of sage, so we're not sure what we're going to do with this one. Yeah, I'd like to include it in my hair detangler battle, yet I also hate to put in a product that I've used once, and then what do I do with it? So we're waffling on what we're going to do with this one. I have a friend locally that might not mind getting something if I've used it just once. And like we said, it was a little heavy on the sage. It has sage, ripe oranges, and rose petals, which I thought that combination would go well together. But like I said, it seemed a little heavy on the sage. I also, though, sometimes find with their box that I need to let it set out for a little while because everything packed in together, the temperature changes and everything makes the scent a little overpowering. So we shall see what I decide to do with that one. Well, keep your ears and eyes peeled for our detangler riddles, because those are fun. This is a Shapeshifter bath bomb, and it smells very nice. Yes, it does. I'm not big on a bath, but I will use some of these. I'll break them up and put it in a basin and soak my feet and have happy feet afterwards. And then I can do a pedicure. And the notes on that one were ocean air. I don't know quite what ocean air smells like in a product. I mean, I know what the ocean air smells like, but anyway, ocean air, hibiscus, vanilla, and musk. This box was a little heavy on the musk, I think, in my opinion. And then once every quarter, they will do a fortune cookie soap. And so that is why I chose the quarterly box rather than the monthly box, is I wanted to get the soap. And there's even a fortune in there that sometimes you can weasel it out before you get in the shower. Sometimes you can't and you wind up with a wet fortune. And that one has notes of black amber, plum, cassis, jasmine, orchid, vanilla, and musk. I'm thinking I might let Jeff try that one. He likes musk better than I do, so he might get to try that one. Yeah, I'm not too wild about it either. Not that we're saying this was a bad box. They do a variety of scents to keep a variety of people happy, and they have a good following. So this box is $80 a quarter. You have to pay that all up front. And because they are regrouping, we are not sure if the price will increase. In addition to the box price, you also have to pay for shipping and taxes if you're in an area where taxes are. So all in, the box is about $33 for me. And they might change pricing, we are not sure. So we are waiting to see. That's all we can do. Wait and see and support them as best they can. They do have their shop open. They're just slow in processing orders because they got behind. So like we said, they are regrouping. I certainly hope that they can stay around. Overall, we enjoyed this subscription a lot. Check out my link below, see what you find. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that fun stuff. Don't forget to watch another video. We hope to see you soon in another video. Thanks for taking the time to go back to November with us.